Okay, in this short video, I'm going to go over how to bring in an image, what AutoCAD calls a raster image reference. It could be a photograph. In this case, it's a line drawing, actually a line drawing that I did by hand. That was the start of this project that I have here, which is actually designed for a cafe. So I want to bring in this original sketch that I did to scale. So I'm going to go to Insert, Raster Image Reference. I'm going to go to Hand-Drawn Plan, JPEG. I'm going to hit Open. I'll keep it relative path. I'll bring in the insertion point, and then I'm just going to put it in roughly. I'll adjust the scale later, and there it is. Okay, so now what the next step I need to do is to create a reference line. I like to create a physical reference line. You could do without this, but I find it just is a really good discipline to get used to. So I'm going to draw from here to here. I know that this is 30 feet. And now I'm going to go to Modify and Scale. I'm going to select both the image and the reference line. I'm going to go to Enter till I've stopped picking objects. We give the base point of this lower left corner, and then I'm going to type R for reference, and I'm going to pick from that to that. And then I'm going to type in 30 feet. It remembers I've done this before, so it has 30 feet. And I'll bring this in, and then the last little test is I'm going to bring this over. You always click on the edge of a raster image, and I'm going to use the Move tool and pick up here and drag it in here. And another thing I sometimes have to do with raster images is I have to make sure they go to the back. So I'm going to right click on it, I'm going to go to Draw Order, and I'm going to say Send to Back. And let's just take a look at it. That looks pretty good. I mean, it needs to be moved over just a little bit. I'll just click on it and move it because, you know, that might as well be, it's close. But it looks like I've managed to do the right thing. Anyway, there you go. You get the idea. That's how you bring in a raster image and scale it. And I'll just move this now up out of the way. And that does it. Short and sweet.